Alright, we're back. Yeah, so we're done. I just gotta power it on and see if we got lucky here with the repair. I'm gonna go turn off the soldering iron. Oh, it is off. Okay. And yeah, the phone died, the music stopped. Did it? I was having a good time. Not that song. I had enough of that song. I don't really like the end of that song.
What song is that?
I don't know.
I guess you don't even know.
I'm not sure.
You're so funny. I don't know. Whatever he said.
Whoever they are, whatever the name of the song is. You know what I mean?
You're like, I don't even like this. Oh yeah, I like that song.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right, we'll do music and power it on. So it looks like we're in good shape. Everything's good. I'm just doing one last check to make sure everything's good. Yeah, I was gonna put caps on these, but that's not super important. Make sure I didn't forget anything. No, everything's pushed in. I didn't put anything in the wrong way. Double check. You know, you don't have to turn it on and then go back and check it again. You want everything good the first time. So yeah, let's check it out. Cross your fingers, man.
Yep. That's awesome, you got it.
Mon ami.
Birdie!
Yes, boss.
Birdie!
Yes, boss.
Can you film it for me? Can we play for a sec? Yeah, so I still have to like adjust the screen a little bit. It's kind of bright because I was messing with it one day.
You got it. Hell yeah. You got it! It's very awesome! You got it! Ah!
You got it. You got it.
Yeah, a couple of the buttons are not working right. I gotta adjust it on the bottom.
You got it though! You got it though, you got the game to work! You got the game to work though.
You guys get the point, I gotta fix up the buttons real quick.
You got it to work though! You got the game to work though.
around, I gotta like adjust it. Like the specials aren't working properly. It's just a quick fix on the bottom. Yeah, let's see what happens. But yeah, I gotta adjust the picture and some of the buttons.
Yeah, you guys look. Yeah, it's
I
awesome
didn't check all
though.
that first.
It's awesome you fix it. It's epic though. Very, very talented. You fixed it without watching any. No videos, no nothing. You did it on your own. And roar, right?
Huh?
I said roar, right?
Roar, hell yeah.
You fixed it, right?
Fuck yeah.
All by yourself. No help, no video, no nothing, right?
Well, I've been doing this shit for like 5 years. So like after a while you start picking up on it because I sucked at working on these games at first, but after a while you just gain confidence because if you've had people work on it in front of you and you've watched videos and you've gotten your hands dirty with the games and you fucked up enough times, you're eventually bound to get it right, you know. And I've gone through it all, like failures with like fixing games, repairing games, restoring games. Some of them I've gotten shocked because I didn't discharge monitors. I've been up and down, but like.
Epic though, you got it.
Yeah, the monitor's good again. It's back on. I gotta adjust this thing. It's a little too bright. The contrast I think needs to get fixed.
It is too bright.
You know, but I'll fix all that right now before I put the backboard back on. But we're good, and not only that, the Marvel vs. Capcom 2 board can come in here instead. We're gonna upgrade this to a Marvel vs. Capcom 2. I bought an official Sega Naomi board. That's official, like I was talking about before, the X-Men vs. Street Fighter. That's a CPS2. The Marvel vs. Capcom 2 board. It's made by Sega. And you can't find it on multi-boards, like on Pandora's Box. Like there's the Pandora's Box I have that has all the Marvel and Street Fighter crossover games on it. But the MVC2 is not on there, Marvel vs. Capcom 2, so you have to get it by itself. So it's an expensive board that runs on its own power system. Kind of like it's like a Dreamcast, kind of with the hardware, and all of it combined, it's just designed just to play the one game because there's so much packed into it.
It's epic.
But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the repair, and I hope you learned something and enjoyed yourself. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this short, and we're gonna cut this, and we'll see you guys next time. Hope you had fun. Bye.